In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unfollow people who don't follow you on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then go to your profile, and right here you can tap at following to see users which profiles you are currently following. And now if we want to check if some user is following us or not, we can go to their profile, then hit at following at their profile, and if you find your profile at the top of that list, that means that this particular user are following you on Instagram. In that simple way, you can find a user who don't follow you back. And let me show you the example. I got that type of user. Let me find it. Here it is. I can get to their profile. I can tap at following. And as you can see, my Instagram profile is not showing here, and that's because that user does not follow me on Instagram. So in that case, if you want to unfollow people who don't follow you on Instagram, all you have to do is just hit where it says following and then tap at unfollow. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.